Hey guys, this is the new Verrado by Nexus. They have 3 different floor plans, the 28S, the 30S, and the 32S. All of them are on the new Duramax, well not new, the Chevrolet 5500 chassis with the Duramax engine, Allison transmission behind it, and all of them have rear air ride suspension, so it gives you a little bit more comfortable ride. All of them, just like Nexus is true to their form, are all steel walled construction instead of aluminum and wood. All of them have washer and dryer hookups inside. All of them are this base white, but you can also get upgraded paint schemes and everything. All of them are diesel and have a diesel generator in them that pull off the fuel tank. And all of them are 50 amp service and can upgrade to second ACs, as well as a bunch of different options. One of my favorite vehicles, new Super Cs at least, ride is super soft in them. If you could drive a 1500 series Silverado, you could drive this truck. It's very user friendly. They all have OnStar in them as well, so that way you can use the navigation or just get general help questions from OnStar. If you've ever used that system, it's awesome. Anyway, the new Verrado by Nexus, great Super C, very cost effective, and check them out.